Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is the table topic is what is the most defining moment of your life thus far? What is the most defining moment of your life thus far? The defining moments. When we talk about defining moments in our life, what essentially we mean is that there are certain mm, junctures in your journey where your life take drastic turns and and you can't imagine that if that moment would not have happened, then you where you would have been. So if talking about such moments, one such moment happened in very early in my life when I was in class fifth and I got selected in Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. It was a boarding school. Coming from a village school, I did not know too much. Uh, I faced difficulties, but uh, the biggest point and the biggest change that happened in me is that I got big dreams. And if I would not have gone to that school, then I don't know where I would have been. Maybe I would have been sitting in my father's shop and making delicious sweets. Uh, so maybe I don't know, but one thing I'm sure that wherever I would have been, I would have been a very good at what I do. So that is for sure because there is something in me because so that I have analyzed. So that's why I get such confidence. And talking about how this moment happened, if this moment happened, and why this is more critical for me and the more important juncture in my life is that I tried everything not to get selected. So whenever the first the form application was submitted, I went to I went to great lengths at cancel my form. Even when the headmaster of the school was leaving the school to submit the form in next nearby station, nearby district. So at the bus stand, I went to him to cancel my form, and he did not cancel my form. So there is another story that how all the things unfolded. But the thing is that it is an important juncture in my life, and that has been defining. And based on this defining moment, lot of defining moments have happened later in my life. But if this would not have happened, I don't know uh, where I would be and like what I don't know basically. I can't imagine. Thank you. Over to you.